Hi guys, this is the MacMan here, and I'm going to be unboxing the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 2 5G in Australia. This is the box. This is the top side. Oh, put it on there. Samsung Galaxy Fold Z 2 5G. The back, the bottom, and the other side just has serial numbers, which I won't show. Now let's open it up. Break the seal. Seal is broken. Fold. Okay, let's open it up. You can read that if you want to pause it. Nothing on the back. Samsung and the SIM removal tool. Sorry about the shaky video, I don't have a tripod. Other documentations, quick start guide. You can pause if you want to read this. Warranty card. Yeah, boring stuff. Let's get to the start of the show. Let's put this on the side for now. Phone, charger, charging cable. See. AKG headphones. Nice headphones with braided cables. And a fast charger. That's the Samsung Galaxy Fold. You can see folds. And that's the cameras here. Just the instructions. And that's the front part. USB-C charger. That's the top. That's the back. Let's open it back up. Care instructions, and thanks for watching the MacMan, and peace out.